Hloso kidnapped Madlomo. Now Madlomo is getting sick because he left his medication at home. He tries to get the medication and Mtunzi find him snooping in the drawers and asks him what's going on. Now Hloso is fighting Mtunzi and telling the police that Mtunzi is the one that's behind the kidnapping. Knowing exactly what we are now kidnapping, they didn't even find him dishing up food while they've already eaten. Now she's wondering what's going on. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. So Madlomo Shem is stuck in some room where Nhloso is keeping her. Nhloso has been saying that Mtunzi is holding Madlomo hostage because she has not been coming to the laundromat. Kantuyena that's been planning this whole kidnapping all this time. Madlomo is now stuck in that place. Nhloso is pretending that he does not know anything. The kids, Nomtunzi, they're worried. They even went to the police station to report the case. He comes to the house to offer support. Kanti uyazi he's the one responsible for Madlomo's disappearance. Now he acts as if he's the caring father, saying he's there to support them. Mtunzi looks into him and wonders, Lo, what exactly is going on? Now he's out there fighting Mtunzi, saying, what did you do to Madlomo? Mtunzi at kanjan, because Madlomo is carrying my child. What would I do to her while she's carrying my child? I would never do anything to harm her. Manju busy, he's causing a scene kwa etembeni. Udin't even calling him to order, saying, Hloso, lang mara, king, hanti king, because Nhloso is always attacking Mtunzi for nothing because he's always forever fighting for his ex-wife. Meanwhile, all this time he's the one that's keeping Madlomo hostage, holding her hostage, busy bringing her food. Madlomo is even refusing to eat, and this might affect the baby because Madlomo is pregnant. Madlomo is lupus. Health-wise, she's not okay. Nhloso is heartless, yes. Ngapa is in denial because he went to the police station to tell the detective that he suspects that Mtunzi is behind this whole thing and told the detective he must focus on Mtunzi because he suspects that Mtunzi is the one that did this whole thing. He's the one that kidnapped Madlomo. Kanjani when Mtunzi is living with Madlomo? And then the kids now are starting to doubt Mtunzi, saying, tell us what happened when you had an argument, Noma. You see, now he's putting ideas in the kids' ears. Mtunzi, I'll never harm your mother, and whoever did this, he's a dead man because when I find them, the church comes to offer a prayer at the house to and offer support to the kids and comfort them. Nhloso is also there, and then he hears they've already contacted the police. Nhloso was like, amaphoyisa bathi yebo. I hope that now amaphoyisa are after Nhloso, saying Nhloso, now they want to question him because the only person that has been extremely strange this whole time is Nhloso. He was out there kicking boxes, kicking dustbins when he found out Mtunzi is about to pay Lebola. Say kahle first suspect Nhloso, because why would Mtunzi kidnap umuntu ehlala naye endlini? If he was not staying with her, I would say maybe, but uhlala naye endlini, what else does he need? And then Nhloso lashes out to go cancer therapist. Like saying, people are saying I'm stuck in the past. I'm not stuck in the past. I hope the therapist sees through him. And then now, Madlomo is starting to get sick. Nhloso is now worried. Madlomo says that she needs her pills because Nhloso just took her, left her phone, left her pills. He was not thinking because in a candle cool. And then now Madlomo is getting weak and needs a medication. He goes to the house to try and get the medication. Mtunzi finds him snooping in the drawers and says, what's going on? What are you doing? Nhloso gave some excuse and couldn't get the pills. Now Udintle finds him dishing up food. At how? Why are you dishing up food? Because we ate. And he's always wearing a jacket and going somewhere late. Udintle is starting to... I hope Udintle follows her one of these days and sees where he is keeping Madlomo and sees the man that he married is actually still stuck in the past with his ex-wife. Because how cruel is he to kidnap umawe ingane zakhe just so she does not marry Mtunzi? Kamo Khalalelo is busy making sure that she wants to punish her dad or struggling to forgive him because she can't make peace with her dad lying about her mom being the one that was driving while he's the one that killed her, and says that you made me believe that she was driving, and now wants nothing to do with her dad. Even though Uvuvu tried to speak some sense into her, she refused to go home with Victor when Victor got discharged. And then Utali finally, her tricks come to an end because she was going on about wanting to expose Victor and getting him arrested, saying that she's not going to go down alone. But Taps was like, you know what, Muder, kitzer evidence all the footage is got destroyed, so you have nothing against Victor. Finally, Talita is nothing against Victor Clay. Can she rest and just stay in prison alone? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.